Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Firefox browser on your Windows 11 operating system. So let's get started and let's see how we can do it. So every Windows operating system comes with the default browser, which is Microsoft Edge. So you can click on this icon or this icon on your desktop to open Microsoft Edge. Here you need to search for Firefox English download. And here you will be able to see this result, which says mozilla.org/en-us/firefox/new. So just click on this link. I'm going to put this link in the description of this video also, so you can directly come to this link. And once you reach to this page, you can see directly the download Firefox button. So I'm going to just click on this button. So once you click on the download button, you will be able to see at the top that this Firefox installer.exe file is downloaded. So you can go to your downloads folder or directly click on this option to open the installer. So I'm going to go to the downloads folder. Here you can just click on downloads. So here you just need to click on this Firefox installer exe file. So just click it, and then let me minimize the browser here. First of all, you will see this kind of warning. Click on yes, and it's going to start the installation of Firefox browser on your Windows 11 operating system. So you don't need to do anything, you just need to wait for the installation to complete. Everything will be automatic. And now the installation process is finished, and I also can see that Firefox icon is created here. And after some time you will see that your Firefox browser is opened automatically, right? So this icon will be created automatically and your Firefox browser will open automatically. So from now on you can start using your Firefox browser. Now let me show you how you can add this Firefox browser to your taskbar. So when you open your Firefox browser by clicking on this icon on the desktop, you can just right click on the Firefox icon here in the taskbar and then click on pin to taskbar, which is going to pin this Firefox browser icon on the taskbar, right? So now from the next time when you want to open Firefox browser, you will be able to see this icon in the taskbar also, which you can click to open Firefox. Now when you will install Firefox browser on your Windows 11 operating system, you will also see this kind of information warning that if you want to set your Firefox browser as the default browser. So if you want to set your Firefox browser as the default browser on your Windows 11 operating system, which means that if your Windows 11 operating system wants to open any website or any other internet related thing, it's going to first use Firefox, right? So just click on set as default browser, which makes your Firefox browser as the default browser. So it's going to open the settings app in some time. So when you click on set as default, and if you don't see any settings app opened, then you can click on the search icon here and search for settings here, and you will see settings app. And when you click on the settings app and then click on apps and then click on default apps, you can view your default apps here. So you can see Firefox is listed here as the default app, right? So this will make your Firefox browser as your default app on your Windows 11 operating system. So this is how you can download and install Firefox browser on your Windows 11 operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.